4. A sphere of weight 2.5 newtons floats in water with half of its volume beneath the surface. A force F is applied to the sphere, completely immersing it in the water as shown. Which of the following is minimum value of F? Now, you can try, but if you use the concept of density in order to solve this question, density of a sphere is higher than water, it will sink, it will float. You'll never be able to answer this question. Well, you can get it right by chance. There's a 25% chance you'll get the right answer, but you will never be able to explain your answer, right? Let's see how we can apply the concept of net force to answer this question. So in this case, when it is half sinked in water, half of the volume is immersed in water, we have two forces acting on this sphere. First force is weight, which is 2.5, and the second force is upthrust. Now in this case, since the ball is floating, it means that the upthrust must equal to weight. So weight is 2.5, that means the upthrust should also be 2.5. Okay, so we can establish a connection that when half of the volume of sphere is immersed, it results in upthrust force of 2.5 newtons. That means that if we immerse it completely in the water, which means that the volume inside the water, or the volume of the water that will be displaced, will be twice of this volume, it will be V, then the upthrust force, can you guess the answer? What will be the upthrust force? It will also double. It will be 2.5 times 2, which is 5 newtons. It means that the upthrust force in this case is 5 newtons acting. So this is 5. And what about weight of this sphere? Remember, weight does not change, right? It doesn't matter if it's half underwater or if it's completely underwater. Weight will be the same. It will be 2 point. Now you can see that we have upthrust, which is greater, and weight, which is smaller. So the ball will try to come back on the surface. It means we need to apply some extra force, which is this F, if we need to keep it underwater. We have to find this force F. Now you can see that upward force is 5, downward is 2.5. We are short of 2.5 newtons if we want to keep it underwater. So we need to apply 2.5 in the downward direction. That means that F must be 2.5, which is option B.